Alright, this is my do-it-yourself motorcycle backup camera video, and I got the idea for this because I dumped the thing, and you know when it goes over, the first thing to go is the mirrors. And you know what? When they came off, the bike looks a lot sexier without them. So I started looking into get backup cams, and they're expensive. A lot of the reviews are shit, and there's like wires running everywhere, and I thought I could just probably do this myself. So the first thing I did was I took like this is an old iPhone, so I took like a GoPro case, and I just like rigged up. It's hard to like see in here, but I just like rigged this up. Yeah, I just jerry-rigged this thing into the case. So the phone's like, so I just popped the phone in there. Let me get this off. And it's screwed into there, and then I just put some tape on it so it wouldn't like scratch the phone. So the thing about this is this phone actually like won't really go on without power, and you know it's gonna drain the shit out of your phone anyways. So what I used to do to charge the phone, my phone that I listen to music on, is, a lot of people don't know this, I actually just found it, and it's pretty much like the greatest thing ever, is there's a little spot in here that you can fit like an external battery. And I used to keep like my toll pass in there. So what I did was put, you know, Velcro in there, Velcro on this thing, turn it on, put it back in there. You know, nothing's gonna hit it when you're turning, and then just run the wire back up and over. I kind of used like some tape. And then on the back, threw the GoPro on here. So let's see what it looks like. Alright, now this is the thing you might be worried about a little bit. So let me try to zoom in on this. You can see there's a little bit of a delay. And you know, on the road, a little bit can be a lot. So actually, to minimize that delay, start recording. Let it get to about 7 seconds. Stop it. And then you can start recording again. And there's still a delay, but it's less than 1 second. But I mean, this thing is great for, let's see, the fucking phone shut off. Just because I didn't turn the battery on. But I mean, this thing is great for the view you get. I can see cars next to me. So the GoPro is great. It gives you a complete like 180 degree view. I'll tell you this though. Something I forgot to mention. Right, see how this white car is right there? It looks like it's on my right. It's not. It's on my left. Because the camera's facing the other way, so everything's reversed. Very important that you remember. use this on the highway, not for like traffic when there's cars like real close. Use this on the highway when you want to see if someone's coming up fast behind you, because you can see real far in the distance. And I mean, what I love best about it is when I pass a cop and I didn't have the mirrors, I'm trying to see if the cop's gonna pull out. But I mean, to see him, I gotta stand up, look back, and I mean, you look shady. So now I just look in this thing and I know whether I'm good or if, you know, I gotta disappear. So, I mean, I really like this thing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If it was helpful, throw it a like, subscribe. I got a bunch of other do-it-yourself videos, and I'll see you on the next one.